Hi guys, welcome to Creativity Series, and in this video I am gonna review and demonstrate this RC car lighting setup. This is basically a very useful and a good RC light setup for your RC cars which come in affordable range. Okay, so first discuss how it works. This over here says channel 1, 2, 3, and there are 3 pins, 3 sockets, where at channel number 2, this is the channel number 2, the main throttle of your RC car. You can take any channel for this, but usually channel number 2 is supposed as the throttle. So the ESC, the brushed ESC plug goes to channel number 2 in the same way, negative, positive and signal, or you can say ground, VCC and signal. Channel number 1 you can use as steering, and channel number 3 is optional. You can select any button from your transmitter for channel number 3. So here I am using my FlySky TM10 transmitter and its IA10B receiver. So these 3 wires go into the receiver. The ESC goes in this plug. This actually takes the commands from the receiver, these 3 wires, and also provide the current to the receiver, so that you can also operate other channels also. So the main throttle goes to channel number 2. I am connecting it at channel number 2, and channel number 1 I am connecting at channel number 4. So it would be like this: channel main throttle and left right. Okay, so I am connecting channel number 1 at channel number 4 of my transmitter, mode 2. And channel number 3 I am connecting to channel number 10, which is this switch. Okay, so here is a brushed ESC, and the wire of this ESC goes into the channel number 2, which is the center one, in this direction, not this. If you connect it like this, it will go wrong. You have to connect like this, all the connections. And the servo for steering at channel number 1, like this. Okay, so this is the center distribution board, and from here all the 16 LEDs, 8 here and 8 here, are operated. The current goes from here. The current is distributed from this board. Okay, so right now I am using a 3S LiPo battery for this. Okay, so setting is done, and these two are the main lights which go at the front. You can say headlights. They are always on. They don't turn off. They are continuously on. So first check the indicators. These are the indicators. You can see with the movement of this servo, they turn on, and when I go the other side, these two turn on. Okay, so now go for the channel number 3, which I have taken channel number 10 of my receiver transmitter. Okay, so when I press the channel number 3 only once, the front 2 lights, which are also the headlights, turn on, along with these 2 red lights. When I press it once again, these 2 small fog lights turn on, and when I press it third time, they all turn off. And when I keep on pressing them for 3 seconds, or for at least 2 seconds, see, these both indicators light turn on. See, and when I press it again, they turn off. Okay, so now see the brake lights. When I go at throttle, you can see the light at this ESC. I am throttling, and when I decelerate, all of a sudden the brake lights turn on for a few seconds. Because I am not doing brake, I am just leaving the throttle, so they turn on and off. But when I do brake, they turn on until I leave the throttle. And when I reverse the throttle, I mean I'm going in the reverse direction, these reverse lights turn on. Brake, reverse. This is actually quite a simple setup. First click headlights on, second click fog lights on, and 2 second these indicators on, brake lights on, reverse lights on, and you can see indicators working still. These two are now slow and these are still fast. Now these two will be slow and they will be fast. And I press it again, all turn off.